Bonjour! Bonjour!
No. Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello! Hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The 100 Season 6 Episode 10. I'm sorry if it's not the usual light for my reaction video, but it's really hot today in France, so I closed my blinds, so I'm sorry if it's disturbing for you, but it's like that. It's too hot for me to have them open. So today I'm gonna watch the episode 10 of The 100. The episode 9 was really great, like really great. I can't remember the last time that I was so amazed by an episode of The 100 because of many things, because of the fact that Octavia was really a big piece of the show and that was missing for many episodes. We reconnected with Octavia, maybe just I reconnected with Octavia during the last episode because she was really fighting who she was during the season 5 and she was really metaphorically and physically speaking fighting this side of her, and she chose to fight this side of her, she chose to kill this side of her. She can't be who she was before all of that happened. That's not possible. I'm the kind of person who thinks that you can't be who you were before you changed, you evolved because of what you did, what you saw, what people did to you also. I just want her to find her place in this group again. I just want her to have a place in this group again. I want them to accept that, and you know, at the end she was like, I have to save my people, and she wanted to go saving them, so I think that it's possible. But first she has to discuss with Bellamy. Really, for me, it's the first thing that she has to do to be back with the group, because she can't be a part of the group if she's still fighting with Bellamy, the I don't love you sister or I don't love you brother. It has to stop, really. They have to be the Blakes. I want the Blakes to be back, you know. Their relationship as brothers and sisters are one of the best relationships written during this show, so I want this relationship to be back. Like I said before, it can't be back like it was before, but I want them to rebuild a relationship together. The Bellarke scenes during the episode 9 were wonderful, let's say it. The I Won't Let You Die from Bellamy to Clarke, to Josephine Clarke, that was wonderful. We know that Clarke heard that, we know that Clarke can appreciate that, we know that Clarke didn't want to leave Bellamy like that, and Bellamy was like, you have to go, so she was forced to leave him, but she didn't want to. I think, like Josephine said, they had a weird relationship and maybe they are done with the leaving you in the arena to die, leaving you to die. I think they are done with the leaving you there to die and so things like that. They know that they care for each other, they know that they are important for each other, and they know that because they said that to each other. That's a big change. They are really talking about their feelings. I hope that we are gonna have the next step, but I know that it's gonna be hard for the writers to give the viewers that. I don't think that they can, Jason. Really, nothing was platonic during them talking, them looking at each other. Oh, don't tell me that there is something platonic right there. I don't see it. Really, for me, nothing was platonic during those scenes. Right now, I'm really worried about two things that we didn't see during the episode 9. Jordan. Is he alright? He has to be alright. Really, I'm not gonna feel well if something is happening to Jordan. You already killed his parents. That's enough. You're not gonna kill him. Please. At the end of the season 9, you gave Jordan to us, to the viewers, like it was a gift for killing his parents. So you can't kill him during the season 6. No. And I'm also worried about Diosa. Is she alright? Is she gonna be back? I want her to be back because she's a fucking badass of this show now and she has the best lines, let's say it. So I want her to be back and I want her to have her baby. Finally, please! This baby is there for too long now. If you think about it, it's too long now. She has to have this baby and I hope that she's alright and she's gonna have it normally. I want to know also what is going on with Murphy. Even if I'm not happy about what Murphy did during the last episode, you know that, you saw my reaction video about that. If you don't, I'm gonna put the links. I was really mad at him for being the same Murphy that he was during season 1, season 2. For me, he changed. For me, he evolved during all of those seasons, and this choice made by the writers to let Murphy being like he was before during season 1, for me it was a bad choice because he was living for himself during the first seasons, just surviving. After that, he was a part of the group. During season 5, he was really a part of Space Crew. So for me, the next step had to be proving his loyalty to the group, something like that. So to be back with the Murphy from the first seasons, for me it was a bad choice. I don't understand that choice, I don't love that choice. I'm mad at his character, but I'm still hoping that he's gonna make a right choice now. I don't know which one, but I have still hope for that. We lost Kane during the last episode. I'm not gonna speak a lot about that. If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put the link. I also talked a lot about it during my review. For me it was a good choice because for me the mind of Kane in the body of something else, that was not a good choice. That was so wrong for so many reasons, and I'm a little mad at AB for that. I'm blaming her a little because of Kane's death, because she's the one who took that decision for him, or maybe more for her if you really think about it, because she felt guilty because of all of that. She knew that Marcus was, of course, he wasn't okay with this choice, and she knew that. She knew that he wouldn't have been okay with that choice, but she made it because of her, because she felt guilty, but not because of him, not really. And I'm really blaming her because he spaced himself because he had to, you know. that was a good choice, that was a good move coming from him, even if I'm really sad now that Kane is dead. That was the right decision to make, but I'm not sure that I can forgive Abby for that, you know? Maybe one day, but right now I can't forgive her because of that. And you know, many viewers were really angry at her since seasons now. Many viewers were hating her and I was not. I was really supportive with her. I was really like, no, I understood her, but for some episodes of this new season and for the last 2 episodes, I don't understand her. And I'm blaming her for what happened. And I'm not sure that I can forgive her one day about what happened. We'll see about that. Let's go for episode 10! Come on, Clark, hurry!
We're close to the camp now.
Clark!
Now will you give me back control, or do I have to wait until you fall asleep?
Shut up!
I have to call Gabriel. Yeah, I wrote that too.
Shut up! She's so annoying.
As we go back to Sanctum, I'll give you your body back.
No, you're not.
We can just wait for my guards to find us.
What is it?
I guess my guards don't think after all, huh?
It reminds me a lot about the bunker during season 1. Do you remember?
Observation.
When she had sex with Finn?
To study species in their natural habitat. I'm thinking that he lost his taste for body snatching. And I'm hoping, for all our sakes, that he doesn't destroy your mind drive as soon as he takes it out. Bellamy's plan. Save you, trade my drive for your people.
She's ruling for Bellamy's plan.
What are you doing? Does he still love you?
Clark? Aww. What happened to Jordan? Where is Jordan?
Wasting a good mind drive. But your daughter is dead too.
No! No, she's not. And that was a lie. Yes.
Fox 9 survived the procedure.
Ta-da!
Russell, these people know the truth about us.
Yes.
How long till it spreads to our people and they come after us?
Yes, please do
An
that.
example must be made.
No.
Not the child, she has the blood.
Don't even think about it.
Find out who's helping to hide the other two and they burn with them. The king Sanctum is already dead. Because I trust you. We'll only kill one.
What? No! And which one? But no! Still no! You're not gonna kill anyone.
You're a liar. Believe me, I wish I was.
He's the one who is spreading the message. Okay, he's trying to build a revolution right there, and you two, you're helping him and he's helping you. That's fine. But what about Jordan? Please!
I agreed to hide you. I agreed to tell people the truth.
You did that because
Thank you for that.
exposed you as the traitor who let the demon Gabriel go free. Which is exactly why you did this.
He was the one?
If you miss, one of your people dies.
Yes! Which one? And please, no! No one!
So who will they choose?
That's easy. Send me, Elizabeth.
Good be you, traitor.
I'm mad at you, but obviously I don't want him to die.
Same look she had in her eyes when she stabbed Jordan.
Where is Jordan?
That's not gonna happen.
She's gonna slap him?
She was already dead.
She's not.
He made a deal to save all of us, eventually.
Said it. You deserved it. Come on, Murphy, you deserved
Even
it.
Toby for Echo gets us out of here because if she doesn't, we choose you.
No, no one. I said no one. You're not helping with your thumb, Josephine. Oh no, you bitch. That was for... Now Clark is sleeping and you're back. You have the control. Or maybe they are locked, the two of them, in the body? In Clark's body?
Much so. Not much.
Who is she?
I'm gonna say goodbye. The barrier between our minds is breaking down. How about we cut the sarcasm and
Oh yes, please! Do that!
without the door
Do
inside,
that!
I don't know where I'd go. Or if I'd come back. It could be permanent.
And that's a bad thing, right?
Yes, that's a great thing.
Pull the trigger. Go float yourself. That's it. Follow me.
That's not great for Bellamy's plan, but I want her to die, really. I want someone to kill her. You're gonna float her memories? You didn't put all the books?
We have to do more. They'll keep leading through.
It changed you. You lost.
I don't remember what you took. I know that it's gone.
That's great. Maybe she's gonna be kinder after that. Maybe she's not gonna be the bitch who she is right now. That can be good, really. She can stay if she's not that bitch.
And that you're scared to die.
Of course. Of course. But she's not gonna die.
What hell? The answer's not immortality.
Mm.
It's morality.
I love their relationship, their friendship. It's a sweet one, you know. That can be a ship. I'm not shipping them because I love Emery also and our relationship with Murphy, but
You alright?
I appreciate their relationship.
Because we're all getting out of here tonight.
Yes, that's a part of the plan.
During the execution. The only person dying tonight is Russell.
I'm not sure that's a good choice. I'm voting for the woman, not Russell. I don't know why. I think that she's the extreme, you know, she's the one with the extreme thoughts, choices, things like that.
We just eat lunch in peace.
Really? After all of what happened?
Please.
Is he a part of the plan also or not?
Come, sit. Tell us what you know.
And I sacrificed my child in the offering grove.
Ooh, you're gonna tell them that you know the
They
truth.
were all gods. But they're not.
No, they're not.
If
Yes,
there's any justice left in this world,
they're fucking liars who are murdering people for having their bodies. I'm sorry, but I'm okay with that. Like I said, she was the extreme one of this team. With another body, with another person who's gonna die. On one hand, I'm sorry for him, and on the other hand, he's a murderer, he's a liar. I am not sorry for him.
Crispy days are weird.
Gabriel? Gabriel and Josephine?
I know. I couldn't lose you, Gabriel.
can't do this forever.
Why not?
Because this is so wrong. And you are mad in your mind, you are crazy. You two are sweet, but this is crazy.
You can keep this one.
That's sweet of you, Clark, to say that she can keep that one also.
He'll find a way to save both of us.
You can float this one definitely. Ready? No, 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 you're not gonna attack Clark. No, 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 no. You crazy bitch. I was this close to like her maybe because I thought that maybe she can change without her memories who changed her to be that crazy bitch, but right there
Everything in Europe is fucked up, including us. We have to get back to myself.
what? All of our memories are gone, okay? So she's gone also?